to timeout.
Hi, welcome to Timeout Season 3, and this season is called
Snacks and ladders.
And this season we're doing snacks, healthy snacks, as well as tiffin boxes for kids to take to school. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
Okay, and today we're gonna do something really fun because we're gonna do popsicles! Do you know what the name of the first popsicle we're gonna make today is called?
Chocolate pie.
Yes, and what are we calling the chocolate fudge popsicle?
CHOFU.
So we're calling this one CHOFU because it's a nice chocolatey fudge popsicle. Are we ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, the first thing we have to do is we have to blend all the ingredients, and the ingredients are
Almond milk. Bananas. Strawberries. Cocoa powder. Honey.
Okay, Daria, now let's first cut up the bananas, okay?
Okay.
All right, you cut one banana, I'll cut one banana.
You forgot my name. I know my name.
Yes, what color knife do you want?
White.
White. Okay, pick up the white one. Okay, now peel a banana. Okay, Daria, let's put everything into the blender, okay? First, we'll start with the bananas. Here, take a big spoon and pour in the bananas. Okay, now let's put in the strawberries, Daria.
Okay.
Here. Okay, Daria, now we need to put some cocoa powder, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here's the cocoa powder. Take a spoon. I need you to put in 2 spoons. Okay, Daria, now that we put in the cocoa powder, Mama has to pour in some almond milk. And the reason I'm doing this is because it's heavy, okay? Okay, Daria, do you know what the last ingredient is?
Yes.
What is it?
Honey.
Honey. Let's put some honey. I need 2 teaspoons, okay? Okay, so do you want to use a teaspoon to put it in? Here. Let's take this out. Here. Put 2 teaspoons.
1.
So Mama's gonna blend it and then we're gonna fill it into these popsicle stands.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Okay, Daria, now that we've blended everything, I need you to help me pour them into these popsicle stands. But before you do that, you need to wear an apron. So give me the apron. Let's put that on you so you don't spoil your pretty little dress. These are popsicle stands, and what you do is you first take the tops off of all of them. And now that all the tops are off, let's go ahead and pour this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Daria, now that they're all full, let's put all these tops back in.
Okay.
Come on. And now they're ready to freeze. And then we can enjoy some chocolate popsicles. CHOFUs. Daria, now that we've frozen them, they've become popsicles. Grab one. Okay, grab a popsicle and pull. I'll give you this one. You can have this one.
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Great. Yay, there we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's yummy, right?
Yeah.
And the best part is it's full of healthy things. It's full of fruits as well as things that you can just have fun with, which is chocolate almond milk in this case. Or you can use regular chocolate milk or even plain milk with extra cocoa powder. It all depends on your preference. But this is the most amazing snack because your kids would want that little bit of chocolate, but you don't want to end up giving them junk food. So the popsicle kind of lifts everything, especially on a hot summer day when they're just home from school, sweating from their exercises, whether it's PE or sports day, and you just give this to them and they will love it. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go enjoy our pops now, our CHOFUs. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye.